The MLA of North Shillong constituency, Adelbert Nongrum, had reacted strongly to the recent demand and bargain of the HARIJAN Panchayat committee on the relocation of government staff from MAWLONG to a government-designated location. Speaking to news reporters on Tuesday, Adelbert Nongrum said that the state government should not relocate any illegal settlers but to only evict them from their present location. This, Nongrum said, will display the guts of the government in handling such issues. In the meantime, the North Shillong MLA alleged that he was not included in the high-level committee of the government on the MAWLONG issue because of the fact that he had voiced out the concerns of the masses for the government's decision and not merely its assurances or suggestions for a permanent resolution to the issue.
Iwaipat ki bade ki illegal settler ki diban sibai abai chu abra por evict be jaki la kadai stio na RTO na sibanai kata kadai ka gods ka ba government ki penpau ti company ka issue ka bangin ko apane kan sipang ni ki bargain ki jongki ba arspa square meter bakin yo ya ka wei ka family approximately kan poi arjar sispa sanpo square feet kiran hok iu bakin demand maki kat notam na sibuk mata ki ong baki de ki food grade employees te ki banjai ki pat ki grade food employees jong ki wei pat ki department ki prado ki prasam tu bude ki haban pansana ya ki yang hisap kani government khapan sim ya jigir clear ya kini ki bapa dismantle ya ka overbridge ko moran ru lai jaga hi barit la su khamnya lamba kitu ki nongsong snong kinongsong dukan tu po khasi market kitu dah di panai separate plot of land kani ka ba ngako unbu kum lokal mali ba kadon ki standard ka bakim kwa ru yang aban bu ban include beringan haban ban khro beringan haban terwai ladi kamar joki maru ka si baskan ngapo meeting ka bala khadu chief minister malom ba I'm here hata ka meeting ka bala por barang ya hurura po ani ka constituency jing arja khapra malom ba I'm here representing khnam representing the voice of people. The people doesn't want any assurances, doesn't want any suggestion. What they want is a decision. Tidak terkadang kami include nga hapo ke committee. Tidak lo tanong rem ke ba ngaru nga kentu yang kipai ba jong jala. Ngini yang teling na pedek kadau pedek kariu ngin pedi kita. Ya kata ke jenglong. Try muluk namang nasa nyon, nasa suppress brokilian.